In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best smoothie blenders available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Overall, we think the Ninja Mega Kitchen system is the greatest smoothie blender. This blender contains a 15-watt engine that can break ice as well as frozen fruits and veggies. A 72-ounce pitcher and a 64-ounce processor bowl are included in the Mega Kitchen. Blending is significantly better with this unit stacked and offset blades than with a blender with a single blade at the bottom. On the front panel, there are 4 clearly labeled speeds, as well as a pulse setting and an easy pour lid. It comes with 2 16-ounce smoothie cups so you can take your creations on the go, and the replaceable blades and soft touch front panel make cleanup a breeze. The Mega Kitchen's only drawback is that there is no hole at the top to add ingredients during blending. Having saying that, we still believe this is the best blender for preparing smoothies. When it comes to comparing the best blenders for smoothies, moving from home appliances to ones rated for commercial use isn't inexpensive, as you'll quickly discover when comparing the best blenders for smoothies. So, what do you get for your substantial investment? Spending more on a blender will provide you an appliance that will survive for years of heavy use and avoid repeat. If you use a cheap home blender for this purpose, it will burn out. Despite its plastic construction, the Vitamix Pro feels sturdy and substantial. With a 64-ounce capacity, you should be able to prepare enough smoothies for a small family without having to make a second batch. When creating smoothies, take advantage of the 5 presets and enjoy push-button convenience. You won't have to cut any of your ingredients since the strong stainless steel blades will blitz them to the exact consistency for your favorite smoothie. You have complete control over the procedure thanks to the unlimited speed dial. You didn't think we'd review of the best smoothie blenders without mentioning the original nutrition extractor, the Nutri Bullet, did you? Today, we've chosen it as our best choice because it's simply the best for crushing fruits and vegetables to generate superfood ultra-smooth shakes and smoothies. Thanks to this powerful 600-watt motor with a high-torque power base, being healthy has never been easier. The innovative stainless steel blade design with cyclonic movement helps set this machine apart. It can break down even the toughest ingredients in seconds to provide a daily dose of silky smooth sweetness and a perfectly balanced and nutritious meal in a glass. Ideal for those with a busy schedule who want to reap the nutritious benefits while on the go. What's not to like about that? Cleaning up is also a breeze, so what's not to like? Vitamix offers some powerful blenders that fall in the middle of the household price range. Without taking out a bank loan, you may obtain heavy-duty construction, precision engineering, and convenience of use. So, how does the E310 measure up? Food-grade components are used throughout the Triton construction. This allows you to concentrate on the health advantages of your smoothies rather than the possibility for contamination. You have complete speed control with 10 settings that let you to adjust the blade speed according on the type of your ingredients. You may also fine-tune the texture of your processed products thanks to this versatility. The 48-ounce container gives you enough room to feed a small family. If you have a big number of hungry mouths to feed, we recommend looking at some of the larger models on our list. You won't have to sift through a blender covered with processed food if you use the Vitamix. The self-cleaning feature makes upkeep a breeze, and all removable pieces are dishwasher safe. The Magic Bullet Mini is the best affordable blender we've tested for smoothies. The 13-ounce container in this compact bullet blender is perfect for single-serve smoothies. To make drinking right from the jar easier, there's a matching to-go lid and cup ring. It features a simple design and makes a well-blended smoothie in less than 2 minutes. It's convenient because you can push down on the jar to blend or twist it to continue blending even if you're not holding it. After creating something liquidy like a smoothie, it's very simple to clean by hand. The cups and lids can be washed in the dishwasher, but the blades must be washed by hand. Unfortunately, the manufacturer advises against crushing ice without first adding liquid to the jar. The all-plastic motor base doesn't feel particularly quality or long-lasting. However, if you're looking for a blender that makes nice smoothies, it's a good value. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.